I'm Dr. Felice Gersh, and I'm so excited because in just a few short weeks, I will be in Hollywood, Florida, where I will be speaking at the A4M's annual spring conference. And the topic this spring is going to be one of the most needed and really important, all about nutrition. And for me, I get to speak about the role of hormones and nutrition, a very underappreciated factor in overall nutritional status and nutritional needs are your hormones. So I get to go in a deep dive on how bidirectionally what you eat, when you eat, has an impact on how your hormones are made and utilized, and as well, how having hormones, either a good balance or not having good balance, will affect your nutritional needs and how your digestive system absorbs nutrients, and effectively determining what nutrients are actually in your body. So please be sure to come to the conference and don't miss my talk all about the interaction and critical interplay between hormones and nutrition. Every health practitioner needs to know about this topic. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. There'll be so much more, but please come to my talk. See you then. Have a great day.